solid primitives Torus. Here it is available Torus primitive tool, solid primitive tool. To create this Torus, I just make a circle. Actually, no need to make a circle to create Torus. I just need to explain well. That's why I just create a circle. I just go to the circle and I create a circle like this, and I go to the top view and I go to the Torus and I click the center point. I just go near to the circle. You can see the center point, and now I am going to create Torus radius. So this is Torus radius, and I just go to select this quadrant point. Now Torus radius is created. Next it will ask you to specify tube radius. Now I just click here, the tube also ready. This shape is Torus. If you go to southeast or any other isometric 3D view, and here it is ready, and I select here realistic look, you will get it like this, Torus. I just go to Torus again, center point. You can make the value also. I just make it 50 radius of Torus. And what is the tube radius? I just make it 10, enter. Again go to Torus. Here you can see few more options, 3 point, 2 point or 10 radius. These options also you can use, or you can specify center point. Next, diameter option also available. If you have Torus diameter, you can select this diameter, make the diameter, what is the value you can give, and you can give the enter. And what is the tube? You can make 2 point or diameter also. Select this diameter, make it 25, enter. The Torus is ready. So this is the way to create solid primitives Torus in AutoCAD.